Tasty sweet potato fries by Friendship Menu. Ingredients: sweet potato, cooking oil, and sugar. First, peel off the potato using a peeler, or you can use a knife. Slice the sweet potato into lengthwise, just like how fries would look like. Put the sliced sweet potato into a bowl, then add sugar into it. Mix until the sugar is evenly distributed on all the sliced sweet potato. Preheat the pan, then add enough amount of cooking oil for deep frying. Add the sliced sweet potato and make sure there's enough space in the pan. Drain the sweet potato by using a strainer. Put a tissue paper on the serving bowl before putting the cooked sweet potato so it will absorb the remaining oil. Do this for the rest of the sweet potato. You can also add sugar on top of the sweet potato. Here's your tasty sweet potato fries by Friendship Menu. Thank you for watching!